Hello, Bruce here from Panasonic, and in this video I'm going to show you how to clean the lint filter in your top-load washing machine. Your washing machine will collect lint from your clothing every time you do a wash, so it's important to do this to make sure that it doesn't clog the draining system. It takes 2 minutes and it's really easy. So let's get started.
Step 1. Locate the lint filter, usually found inside the drum in the middle. Remove the lint filter. Simply press down on this tab to remove. Next up, we'll clean the filter. Remove the lint by hand, rinse under warm water and use a soft brush if needed, but no harsh cleaners. And lastly, we'll dry and reinsert. Shake off excess water or pat dry, then slide the filter back into place securely.
Cool, thank you Tara. Well, there you have it. It's simple to do, and if you look at the instruction manual, it mentions that it's important to do this after every wash load. However, I do understand that people get busy, just so long as you do it at least once a week to make sure that you don't risk shortening the life of your machine. If you are looking for more information, be sure to read the instruction manual or check out our website online. You can also download a copy of the instruction manual from our website at panasonic.com. Thanks for watching. See you next time.